Don't like that side, Alex?
You do it again, baby boy?
See, I didn't get to see much of Emma when she was this little. Look at you. Such a good boy. Look at him.
That's awesome.
He's like, I mean, he got his belly up off there.
He's learning.
He got his belly up off there, didn't you? He looks so tired, though. Actually, you know, it's like us in Pilates, and we're having to lift our arms and our legs in our head.
You made it.
All right,
You did
Alex.
it. You were here. Now you're there.
Except he lifted like the whole way. It's like the wrong way. Good boy, Alex. Yeah. Now you have to go back. It's like you take him. No. Okay, I won't. I promise. He heard that.
Good job, baby boy.
When I was in Wyoming and Colorado, the little baby who was getting baptized, they all suddenly, the whole family suddenly started going, he turned over, you know, or he flipped.